Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to disable inventory tracking for all of your products on Shopify using the bulk editor option. So without further ado, let's have at it. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what my dashboard looks like, and the idea is once you're logged in, you would want to get access to the products page. Now, the products page can be found on the left hand side of the screen on the admin panel. So, the option we're looking for is between orders and customers. It says this one right here. So, I'm going to click on orders like normal. And it should take me to this little page right here that's going to list all of my registered products for my Shopify account. So, if you want to edit everything in bulk, you'd want to click on this little box right here, this little checkbox. And what this does is it ensures that all of the products listed under your account are highlighted and enables them for bulk editing. So to show you guys what I mean, once I click on this, just like that, I should be able to bulk edit. So it's this little option right here. And this is going to take you to a new page where you get to manually configure the statistics and the parameters of each and every one of your products. Now, if we're going to edit the tracking for the inventory for this, you'd want to click on columns first. So this is the option that you can find on the top right corner of the screen. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you find track quantity. So it's this one right here. And if you want to check everything, actually by default, all of these are already checked, but in the case where they aren't, to check everything, you'd want to hold shift and click. Actually, I believe it was control shift. Yeah, and basically just highlight everything just like that, or you can simply hold left click and then drag it across your entire list for your product page or your products page, and make sure that they're all checked. So show you guys what I mean. All of these are actually selected, but if you want to do them one by one, you could do so as well. But if I'm selecting it just like this, so they're all highlighted, you can see that the effect carries over to the other products as well. So once you do that, simply hit save and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.